You have to try this tofu lumpiang Shanghai. Not only is this packed with veggies inside, we made this using a viral wrapping technique that's been making rounds on the internet. Also nice and straight, ready for parties. The secret? Just a cardboard. To make the filling, add crumbled firm tofu, mushrooms, carrots, onions, spring onions, soy sauce, garlic powder, salt and pepper into a bowl and mix until well combined. You can fill this mixture directly into the wrapper, but I sauteed mine in a bit of oil and more spring onions to remove excess moisture. Once done, set aside and let's get wrapping. Place the cardboard in the center of stacked wrappers and cut one side with scissors. Flip and do the same on the other side. Put the cut piece on the lower edge of the wrapper. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of filling, spread it out evenly, then tuck in both ends to seal it from the side and gently fold the bottom of the wrapper over the filling and continue to roll tightly. Wet the remaining edge of the wrapper with water and completely seal. Repeat with the remaining mixture. You can opt to fry or air fryer lumpia. Then serve with your favorite sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.